Okay, now let's add links. Okay, as you can see, we have a simple paragraph here, and inside this paragraph, we added a link. When I click this link, it will, redirect me into Instagram. Let's back again. How can we add links inside our HTML page? You can use a tag, and as you can see, it has attribute which is href. Here you can add, the link to any website, external website you want, or if you have another web page here, when you click the link, it moves you to the other HTML page present in the same directory or in other directory of the same project. You can of course type just the name of the page. For example, if I have another copy of, if I have, for example, index1.html here, when I click this link, redirect me to this page, I can simply include the name of the page here. So I can say index1, for example, .html. But here I wanted to go to another website, which is Instagram, for example. So here you can just copy the link for Instagram. You can just copy the link for Instagram like this. Go to Instagram. Yes. Instagram. Yeah. And here just copy the link with the protocol, of course. Okay. And paste it here inside the href. And here you type the word that you want to be displayed. When you click this word, it will transfer you to this website or to this link that you applied here. Okay, so just I will type Instagram. Here in the page, okay, as you can see, I will refresh. That there's Instagram. If I click it, it will transfer me to Instagram page. So I will back again, and let's refresh what we have here. We have, as I mentioned before, of course you can include tags inside tags, or you can embed tags inside tags. So we have a paragraph. Inside it we have this page, and I will just remove this Instagram, and I will add the complete tag inside the paragraph tag before closing the p tag. But you have to respect the order. Now you have a, so you have to close it before you close the parent tag. In such cases, we are calling p as the parent tag and a is the child tag. So the outer tag is the parent and the inner tag is the child. And you will hear this expression a lot when we are talking in CSS course. So you need to notice it. So if I refresh, as you refresh, if I click Instagram, still working. But what if I want to open a new tab? When I click Instagram, open it in a new tab. Normally there is an attribute of a here. You can add this attribute, which is blank. No, it's I forget it. I think it's target. Yeah, target. You add blank. Now it's an attribute. The attribute, it has an effect on the behavior of the link, or the attribute that you are adding inside the tag has an effect on the tag, of course. So if I refresh, click Instagram, as you can notice, now it's open in a new tab, right? Okay, let's close it. but I don't want this effect, so I will remove it. But of course you can keep it as you want. Now let's refresh, and everything is okay till this moment.